in your research, if I had to play devil's advocate here, within the church, I could see somebody asking me, but Jesus referred to Adam almost as a real person. Is there,
Yes.
did you know, how did Second Temple Jewish culture view Adam, or even Paul? I mean,
I think they almost universally took him to be a historical person. When you read the extra biblical Jewish literature from that time, they often refer to Adam. And though they exploit him theologically for different purposes, they all assume he was a real person that actually lived. So did Jesus of Nazareth, and so did the Apostle Paul. And so I think it's important to safeguard the historicity of Adam and Eve. What I change in the traditional view is not their historicity, just the date at which they lived.